Hi, welcome to Health Pulse. Here's the benefits of turmeric, bright and colorful. Let's break down the visuals of turmeric. Roots and powder. Drink turmeric at night. Unbelievable health perks. The hidden truth. Are you ready to uncover the amazing benefits of this golden spice? Join us on this journey and discover why drinking turmeric at night can transform your health to a peaceful and cozy bedroom. Did you know that turmeric has been used for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine for its healing properties? It's packed with a compound called curcumin, which boasts incredible antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Scene shifts to a close-up shot of a glass of warm turmeric milk. One of the best ways to enjoy the benefits of turmeric is by drinking it in the form of warm turmeric milk. The soothing bedtime drink is not only delicious, but also offers surprising health perks to an animated infographic highlighting the benefits of drinking turmeric at night. First, let's talk about sleep. Turmeric has been found to promote better sleep by reducing inflammation and soothing the nervous system. Say goodbye to restless nights and embrace a peaceful sleep routine. Scene shifts to a silhouette of a person waking up, refreshed and energized, strong and healthy body. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to conquer the day ahead. Turmeric can help with that. Its natural compounds support healthy brain function and enhance cognitive performance. To a montage of different people, like engaging in physical activities. But the benefits don't stop there. Turmeric can also aid in post-workout recovery and reduce exercise-induced inflammation. It's as if turmeric acts like a natural gym buddy, supporting your fitness journey. Scene shifts to a close-up shot of a glowing and radiant face. Narrator calling all beauty enthusiasts. Turmeric can work wonders for your skin too. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe acne-prone skin, reduce redness, and leave you with a natural glow. Scene transitions to a series of images showcasing various dishes made with turmeric. Let's not forget about the culinary adventures turmeric can offer, from vibrant curries to delicious smoothies. The possibilities are endless. Spice up your meals and savor the hidden health benefits of this timeless ingredient. Scene shifts to a serene image of a person meditating, relaxing, and taking care of your mental well-being is equally important. Turmeric has been linked to improving mood and reducing symptoms of depression. Embrace a more balanced and joyful life with a little help from this humble spice. To a shot of a peaceful and calming nighttime environment. So are you ready to experience the hidden truth of drinking turmeric at night? Incorporate this magical spice into your bedtime routine and reap the remarkable health perks it has to offer. Unleash the power of turmeric and embrace a healthier and happier you. Closing scene. Images of turmeric roots and powder with text displaying drink turmeric at night. Unbelievable health perks. The hidden truth. Narrator, drink turmeric at night. Unbelievable health perks at the hidden truth. Stay tuned for more eye-opening health tips and secrets. Remember, turmeric is nature's gift to your well-being. End of video.